guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new and viewing. Today I'm installing this frontal from True Glory Hair. They were kind enough to send this over to me to try for you all today. So this is in collaboration with their birthday series, their birthday celebration. True Glory is celebrating their birthday. They are turning 12 this year, which is super exciting. So congratulations and happy birthday, True Glory Hair. It's really funny about True Glory Hair. I just kind of want to give a little backstory. One of the first brands that I tried out when I first started wearing weave or, tracks in my head. So it was a really popular thing here in Georgia, and I will tell you guys, they were literally the first company that I bought from. They are literally the OGs of this thing. So happy birthday to you, True Glory Hair, and I'm super excited to be working with you. So if you guys are interested in this frontal lace or just trying out any of their bundles or any of the other products that they offer, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'll have a link there so you can check out their website. So I'm just going to show you guys about 3 different styles that you can achieve with this frontal. So I did kind of prep the hair before starting this installation tutorial, and I just kind of pushed the hair back, straightened it out a little bit, plucked it a little bit, and just got it prepared and ready to go. I am going to install my wig with ease today. I'm using some of this lace bond spray from Ebin. And I added a few curls to the hair using my curling wand. So the first style I'm going to show you guys is a side part look that you can achieve with this frontal lace. I'm going to put my parting space over to the left side, but you can also do a right side if you are more comfortable with that, because I know me personally, I love for my parting space to be on my left. Sometimes I'll rock it on the right, but for the most part, I usually go for it being on the left. The good thing about this lace is that it is good quality, y'all. It is such great quality. You're going to have minimum shedding, of course, minimum tangles, and it's just high quality hair. So I would highly suggest trying it out if you guys haven't already. Not to mention they have wonderful customer service, so you guys are going to get your orders pretty quick. The next style I'm going to show you guys is just the middle part. We're going to make that super simple and easy and just part it through the middle. Use my hot comb and then my edge palming stick just to get those roots flat, because we want our lace to lay as flat as possible, because our ultimate goal is to make this lace look very natural, of course. And the middle part is giving, per usual. I love a good middle part. And the last look I'm going to show you guys is just a half up, half down do. I think this look is always a go-to. It's super fun, super cute, flirty. You can also make it business cash if you need to. It all depends on, you know, what fit you rock with it, and it can come out great. So I'm just going to achieve this look by pulling half of that hair up into the ponytail. I'm going to add a few curls, pull out some pieces in the front as well, so it can kind of be like a little bit fun in the front and just have two little pieces framing the face. So those are the 3 looks that I'm going to show you guys today. Just that side part, middle part, and the half up, half down do. Let me know in the comment section which style you like the most. Which one would you rock first? Also, let me know how you feel about True Glory hair if you have tried them out before, and if you have not, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that link in my description bar and check out their website. They have a bunch of products for you guys to try out. And again, happy birthday to True Glory Hair. I'm super excited and thankful to be working with you all. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.